it looks really good, and we've had these for a year hunting out of these trucks, and they've lasted. They're flawless. They look just like the day we put on. They clean up well. They're just a really good seat cover.
And I love them, and I'm glad I got them. Thanks.
They're over a year old, and I put them through hell, and they're just like new still.
But I am more thrilled just seeing them on my truck than I could ever be.
I think you said worth every cent you spent on them, and thanks so much.
Thank you, George.
You bet.
Very nice product. Fantastic fit. The durability is going to be amazing. I'm looking forward to even more use of them this hunting season and guiding season. But you guys do a fantastic job. I highly recommend them.
They are great.
Thanks, Shirley.
They really are great.
Covered in camo. This is George right here.
Yeah.
Right on.
Again, how are they looking after 200,000 miles? On
Like $1
them?
million bucks. I mean, they're worn, but they're not coming apart.
Yeah.
Awesome. No problem with the installation. They just slid on, and
Nice.
it was great. Fantastic.
Take them out duck hunting, get mud on them, dog jumps all over them. Some of the best seat covers I've ever seen, durable, can't even tell anywhere, so definitely highly recommended.
I got new seat covers from Covers and Camo, and I am more than happy with these things.
Because after a year having these seat covers from wear and tear and everything, and oil and parts, and these seat covers hold very well.
We just got some new seat covers from Covers and Camo on my F-150. 8 years ago, we got the exact same seat covers. We love them. They're awesome. They're washable, durable. Never had them come up on us or tear or rip or anything like that.
What do you think?
It looks good.
Looks good.
Looks good again, yeah.
I definitely recommend you guys.
Thanks. Well, we try and make sure that we do a great job for you. You're going to love the covers, and you're going to enjoy the experience with us. So,
best seat cover I've ever had. Can't go wrong. Definitely buy them.
I can tell the quality is there. The fit is right, the quality is right, and I'm just glad that I made this choice again. I really endorse the company, and I think you'll be happy with their product.